Okay, today we're gonna install an electronic rev limiter on this Yamaha Neos. It's a 2004, and you have to remove all the side plastic on the right side to do this. The CD is mounted here. You need to access the white and blue wire, which I have done here. I have just stripped the insulation and soldered the red wire that goes to this unit. This is the electronic rev limiter. You need to connect this one to earth, and then you have a hidden switch which can turn on off the limiter. This is very useful if you have a tuned Neos like this. Okay, plastic back on, and the rev limiter is glued by two glue pads, and it's earthed to the battery minus. So now it's just a test strip to see how this works. This is a sound test with the limiter on. Let's do one with limiter off. Big difference. Recording with the limiter on. Full speed, no more. Again without the limiter. The same test. This time without the limiter. Same road. Probably hit 80 if I continue, so let's go and put away the phone. Okay, back from test strip. On this scooter, this arrow must be pointed. Let's see if it's possible to make it bigger. Can I hold it still? It's pointing at the number 4, I think. And this one is just a fine-tuning device, which I can't really make work. Maybe it's too little adjustment, I don't know. But anyway, when the arrow pointing at number 4, this scooter goes around 45-50 kilometers at the maximum.